Here's how you're going to avoid inauthentic content flags on YouTube in less than 2 minutes. I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to safeguard your channel and ensure your videos pass monetization reviews. So first, you're going to ensure that every video you publish includes significant original commentary, educational insights, or transformative editing rather than re-uploading unedited third-party media clips or raw stock footage. So I'm going to show you an example on how you're going to do that. So for example, you can see from my videos right here that I have different kinds of videos. I have different thumbnails, and I also don't copy from anyone, and I don't use re-uploads. Now, next is when using AI text-to-speech or AI image generators, heavily edit the outputs inside CapCut Pro by adding custom voice speech tricks, kinetic captions, and unique background music layers. So again, I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So for example, in one of my videos right here, I also have here's the exact 3-font combo that I use to make my videos look aesthetic but still very easy to read. So first, captions and effects that you can see. Now, avoid uploading dozens of identical templated videos generally purely through fully automated bulk scripts, as automated patterns trigger spam and reuse content detection filters. So like I said, I have different kinds of videos right here, and you can already see that these are not automated videos. Then you can also incorporate human voiceover elements, personal reaction audio, or distinct background sound effects into your timeline to differentiate your project from generic synthetic feeds. For example, once again, on this video, you can find different kinds of audio layers. I have voice over element, I have a background sound effect, and I also have a music on the background. Here's the exact 3-font combo that I use to make my videos look aesthetic but still very. And that's it. If this video helped you and if you are interested, I have linked a product link down below.